Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading a quote from Danny Martin Girard. He is the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast. Co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Caring for self. One of the biggest problems of today is not an addiction to foods or drugs. It's a belief that says, I don't care about my body. If you cared deeply about your longevity and health, would you willfully take a substance that would disallow well-being? Start with the statement, I care about my longevity and health, and keep on repeating it until you cannot take anything that would disallow well-being. Then you'll say, I don't care how tempting it is. I care too much about feeling good to let this addiction take control. Danny G. Thank you so much for that. That was amazing. I hope everybody else enjoyed it as much as I do. And until next week, have a beautiful week and have a beautiful day today. Thank you so much.